Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the official YouTube channel of Office Azara 24/7. So, first of all, let me know how are you all, and I wish all of your Raksha Bandhan was very well. That you have celebrated. Some of the people have celebrated yesterday. Some are going to celebrate today. So, very happy Raksha Bandhan to all of you. Apart from that, as you know, every day in the morning at 7 a.m. we are coming up with the PPB session for English medium candidate. That is, in each and every day we are discussing one particular topic in the form of MCQ with the explanation. So that will give you the overall understanding of the chapter in the form of MCQ as well as the detailed explanation. So we have already completed the certain units of PPB. Now today we are going to cover module A, and in module A you know there are 21 units. If I talk about total, there are total 55 units are available in the PPB. 55 units are available. Out of this 55, 21 units are available in the module A, and in which we are going to discuss today the 16th unit, financial inclusion and financial literacy. Okay, this is what we are going to cover today. Now, before coming up with the questions, let's understand what this topic is talking about. If I want to talk about financial inclusion, what actually the financial inclusion is? Financial inclusion is a process. It is simply what? It's simply a process. So financial inclusion is a process. Process of what? Process to link each and everyone. Process to link each and everyone with the financial with the financial product and services. With the financial products and services. So financial inclusion is what? Simply a process to link each and everyone with the financial product and services at an affordable cost. At an affordable cost. Why we are talking about affordable cost? Because it is important. Affordable cost is very important to use the term because each and every bank is providing financial product and services to the population of our country, but not at the prices, not at the cost which can be availed by the population. Like for example, if I am earning 500 rupees in a month, so I won't be able to maintain a minimum balance of 1000 in my account. So each and every bank is saying you can come to us, you can open an account, but this minimum balance you have to maintain. But it's not possible for each and every person who is working in the country, in metro city or in rural area or in urban area, to maintain a certain minimum deposit. Apart from that, there are a lot of population who are not able to pay the fee of the services which bank provide. If you want a checkbook, bank will ask for a fee. Okay, if you want to issue a demand draft, bank will ask for a fee. So every service that bank is providing, that is chargeable, and not every person is capable of paying that charges. So that's why the financial inclusion term was introduced, in which you are trying to link each and every person. Basically, when we talk about each and every person, means those person who are the disadvantaged population of the country. Disadvantaged population in the sense what? In the sense they are not getting the benefits of government schemes, they are not getting the benefits of financial product and services. To link these type of people with the financial product and services, and that will be at an affordable cost, like with the zero balance account service, you are providing them the financial inclusion benefit. This is the financial inclusion. This process is known as financial inclusion, and it is very important for the country. Okay, so financial inclusion is simply the provision of affordable financial services to those people who are excluded from these services. Okay, apart from that, if I talk about financial literacy, now what does financial literacy means? Financial literacy simply means to what we can say, to make people aware about these services. Okay, when you are trying to make people aware about the services of banking services or financial product and services, that is known as financial literacy. So financial literacy is the process. Again, if I talk about financial literacy, it is the process. Okay, it is the process by which people improve their knowledge, by which people improve their knowledge and and understanding about what of the use of financial product financial product and services. Okay, this is what the financial literacy means. So financial literacy means simply, it is again, it's also a process by which you improve the knowledge and understanding of the population related to the financial product and services. So these are the two terms that you have to remember, like what is financial inclusion and what is financial literacy. These are the two important terms we have. Okay, and this is all about the unit 16 of your PPB subject, and it's a very small unit but it have a very conceptual thing to understand. Okay, so this is about the understanding of the topic. Now let's go to the MCQ. Now let's discuss the MCQ of this particular chapter. So the first question is in front of you, that is talking about which of the following statement is are correct. So you have to answer which of the following statement is correct. First you have, financial literacy stimulates the demand side, making people aware of what they can demand. Financial inclusion activity stimulates the supply side of the OECD, providing the financial market services what people demand. Both and none of the above. So if we talk about, if you have a financial literacy, it's very obvious, if you know about how to use the product and what is the product is all about, you will create the demand of those products and services. So it is true that financial literacy help us in the demand side, making people aware about the services. Financial inclusion is simply again an activity. If we talk about financial inclusion, it's an activity which focus on the supply side. It means by linking people with the financial product and services, what you are providing them, you are providing supply now. So you are providing financial market and services what people demand for. So with the help of literacy, they will demand the financial product and services. With the help of financial inclusion, they will get the supply of financial product and services. It means both the statements are true. Okay, the right answer will be both the statements are true. So right option will be your C option. Clear? Next, second question. RBI has permitted banks to use the services of whom? Use the services of NGO, non-government organizations, self-help groups, microfinance institution, and other civil society organizations as the intermediaries in providing the financial and banking services based on dash model. So RBI allowed them that now you can also provide the banking services and financial services to the population of our country. But with the help of which model? First, business facilitator model, second, business correspondent model, third, both, and fourth, none of the above. So RBI has given permission to them that yes, you can participate in the financial inclusion process. You can sell the financial product and services. You can sell the banking services to the disadvantaged population of our country. But with which model? Which with the both models. Business facilitator and business correspondent model can be used to provide financial and banking services to the population. Okay, so right answer is C. Next question. Banks cannot use the service of Dash as a business facilitator or a business correspondent. So we are talking about bank cannot use a particular service as what? As a business facilitator or a business correspondent. So which of the following service is not allowed them to participate? Non-governmental organizations, self-help group, village sarpanch, microfinance institution. So which of the following services they are not allowed to participate in or they cannot use? So very obvious, the service of NGOs are okay, the service of self-help groups are okay, microfinance institutions are okay, but not the village sarpanch. Now we have just discussed this question, like RBI has allowed on the which model to whom. So RBI allowed to provide services to the NGOs, to the self-help group, to the microfinance institution, to the civil society organization, but not to the village sarpanch. So right answer will be here C option. They are not allowed to use the services. The banks are not allowed to use the services of village sarpanch as their business facilitator or the business correspondent. Okay, next. Ministry of Rural Development provides a one-time grant of dash to the lead bank in every district to set up the RCD. So first of all, lead bank was introduced by RBI in December 1969, in which a particular district, in which a particular district will have their own lead bank, which will focus on increasing the credit planning there, or I can say for the credit planning you have introduced that, and as well as branch expansion. Both have to be there under the lead bank. Now, if we talk about here, what does our city means here? It means simply Rural Development and Self-Employment Training Institute. It means what? Rural Development and Self-Employment Training Institute. For this Rural Development and Self-Employment Training Institute, what amount of grant have been allowed? Is it 50 lakh, 10 lakh, 1 crore or 75 lakhs? So right answer is 1 crore. The grant of 1 crore, one time grant it is. Grant means financial assistance. Okay, and this is one time grant that have been provided to every district, to the lead bank in the every district, so that they will set up the RCT. So right answer will be C option. Okay, now the government has decided to make Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana an open-ended scheme and added more incentives to encourage the people to open bank accounts. So the finance minister has stated that overdraft limit for account holder has now been doubled to dash rupees. So under the Jan Dhan Yojana, we know Jan Dhan Yojana was introduced for the financial inclusion purpose by the government of India, and the Jan Dhan Yojana encouraged the people to have a account services at an affordable cost. With the zero balance services, you are getting a lot of benefits you are getting. So finance minister has said that overdraft will be provided to the Jan Dhan Yojana account holder, that has been doubled to rupees what? So it used to be the 5,000 rupee, it has been doubled. It means now it is what amount? It is 10,000. So overdraft limit right now it's what? It is 10,000 rupees. Okay, do remember that. Apart from this, the another benefit is that accidental cover is there. Accidental cover used to be 1 lakh. It increased to 2 lakh now. So presently the accidental cover is 2 lakh. Then life cover, additional life cover used to be there, that of 30,000 rupees. But this was allowed only for the people who opened the account between 2014 to 15 financially. After that, this life cover is not available for the persons who opened this account after 2015. Apart from that, free of cost rupee debit card will be available. The overdraft of 10,000 will be available. It used to be 5,000 earlier. Okay, and also it will be provided, account will be open at the liberal KYC norms. So at the liberal KYC norms, the account will be open. All these are the benefit of Jan Dhan Yojana. Okay, so right answer is your C option. Right answer is what? C. Next, what are the objective of RCTs? So what is RCTs? I have told you that's the Rural Development and Self-Employment Training Institute. Okay, so first is rural BPL youth to be identified, trained or for self-employment. The training offered to be demand driven. Area in which training to be provided to the trainee to be decided after the assessment of the candidates. Hand holding support and all of the above. So what do you think? Which of the following are the objectives of RCTs? To provide what kind of services to the rural BPL youth? The right answer for this particular option will be all of the above. These all are the objectives of RCT. So with the single question, this is a single question in front of you in form of MCQ. With the help of this single question, you can understand all the objective, or you can learn all the objective of RCT. So that's why I say always a statement based question also help you to understand the concept, also help you to understand the topic in a depth. So everything related to the objective of RCT is written here. Right answer is all of the above, E option. Okay, now financial inclusion is the delivery of financial services. First, at affordable cost to section of the disadvantaged, low income segment of the society, or all of the above. So financial inclusion simply means a process in which you deliver the financial product and services to whom and at what? At an affordable cost to the disadvantaged population of the country, to the low income segment of the society. So the right answer will be all of the above. to all of the above, this is how you provide the financial inclusion. This is how you do the financial inclusion in the country. The right answer will be your D option. Okay, the first time financial inclusion term was introduced by Dr. Y.V. Reddy. He was the governor of RBI in the 2004-5 annual financial report of RBI. He used this term financial inclusion. And for the financial inclusion, first time no frills account were opened by RBI in 2005. And then these accounts were converted into basic saving bank deposit accounts in the year 2012. And these accounts are also known as small accounts. And these accounts are still working in the country. Okay, so the zero balance account was first introduced by RBI for the purpose of financial inclusion, and that named as the no frills account. Okay, it was the first zero balance account of our country, which was introduced for what purpose? For the financial inclusion purpose. Okay, so right answer is D. Next, how much one-time grant is provided by Ministry of Rural Development to lead bank in every district to set up the RC? So this is amount 50 lakh, 75 lakh crores, 3 crores, or the last one you have is 1 crore. So the right answer here will be 1 crore. This is the amount that has been given to the development of the RCD to the lead bank. Okay, now. So overdraft facility, the question has been repeated. Now the overdraft facility amount we have seen. We have to check the age limit. So Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, what is the revised age limit for availing the overdraft facility? So this is, we know overdraft used to be the 5,000, it is increased to 10,000 now. This is the right amount. But what is the age limit? What is the revised age limit to avail this overdraft facility from the bank under this scheme? 18 to 60 years, 18 to 65 years, 20 to 60 years, 21 to 65 years. Which of the following is correct? So the revised age limit is at what? It is 18 to 65 years. It is what? It is 18 to 65 years. So right answer is B option. Right answer is what? B option. Okay. It used to be what? It used to be the 18 to 60 years. It now the new one is the 18 to 65 years. Okay. Do remember the old one as well as the new one. Now, which of the following operation of account through a business correspondent allowed? So which operations of account they are allowed? Customer can operate their account through business correspondent. Customer can deposit money. Customer can withdraw money. All of the above. So what are the services which is allowed to the business correspondent? Okay, so the right answer here will be all of the above. The business correspondent can perform they can operate their customer's account. Okay, they can deposit the money. Customer can deposit the money with the help of them. The customer can withdraw the money with the help of them. So they have a point of sale terminals with them. So with the help of point of sale terminals, they are allowed to deposit and withdraw the money also for the customer. So all of the above will be the right answer. Okay. So now let me know how many answers you have given correct here. Okay, and out of the total question. And as you know, this is not sufficient to cover your whole syllabus. We have discussed a little bit questions on the part of the explanation discussion of the topic. So for more detailed comprehensive study, you have to go to the JIB Mahapack 2.0. And where you will find, so to find this particular Mahapack, you have to first download the application. If you download the application, this will be beneficial for you because you will get 1% additional discount on the application. Okay, this is how the interface of application is. So what you have to do, simply first download the application. After downloading the application, what you have to do, just go to the application. This is the front page of your application. Go to the application. Then to check JIB CIB section here, go to the JIB October 2023 and you will find all the batches which are running or upcoming, everything will be available for you. So you can go with the Sankalp JIB selection batch or you can go with the Mahapack 2.0. So first I will let you know this is the much beneficial for you because right now double validity as well as your 81% discount is going on. So first of all, check the offerings of the product. You can see live classes are there, plus test series are there, plus ebooks are there, videos are there, and the test series will be available in the two form, topic wise as well as your full length. So you can see PPB topic wise tests are there, AFM is there, retail banking is there. Similarly, IEIFS is there. You have 45 units, so all the 45 text has been uploaded in the IEIFS. Similarly, in the JIB Prime Test Mahapack, you will find the full length test of your JIB. So the topic wise test as well as full length test, everything is available. You can check on clicking the product. So before enrolling, do check the offering of the product. Then three types of validities are there. 6 plus 6, 12 plus 12, 3 plus 3. Sorry, 3 plus 3 months. So when you change the validity, your prices will also change. And 6 plus 6 will be have different validity. 3 months will have different prices and 6 plus 6 have different prices. But on 6 month, 12 month, you have a double validity. 3 months do not have double validity. It is only for your October paper. So do decide the validity, click on the buy now option. Achha, apart from this, all these products, you will find the Maha Marathon and Mini Marathon in the Mahapack 2.0 also. Then go and use the code Rakhi80. When you use the code Rakhi80, you will find here 80% discount. Okay, by using the code. But if you want 1% additional discount now, simply purchase the Mahapack from the application. Because in application you will have coins, and by using this coins you will get 1% additional discount. So this 4,499 will be reduced for further 1% discount. Okay, so this is how you can enroll in the 3 months validity Mahapack. Similarly, the other validity Mahapack, or if you want to go with the batch, all the process are same. Now, apart from that, if you're facing any kind of problem at the time of enrollment or something, you can simply call on this number, ask your query, they will be helping you out for the enrollment process. Okay, so this is how you can enroll by using the application, and do make sure you purchase with the help of application only because it gives you 1% additional discount. Okay, that's why it's important to download the application. Apart from that, who are watching us in the form of recorded, I want each and every one of you to let me know in the comment section after the video ends. Drop a message there in the comment like how many answers you have given correct. Also, if you have any kind of problem at the time of preparing to the subject, or also in a particular question, whatever problem you are facing, you can ask in the comment section. I will be checking your comment and answering. Okay, so do not forget to do that. And this is all for today. So now let's end the session. But before going, I want to let you know all that morning 7 a.m. and morning 7:30 a.m. These are the two timing you have to join the session live. 7 a.m. is reserved for the principles and practices of banking, and 7:30 a.m. is reserved for the Indian economy, Indian financial system. So these two sessions are there for English medium candidates in the morning for Indian economy and PPB. That will be there Monday to Friday. On Saturday, you will find the weekly revision class. And on Sunday, you will find the special session. And if you want to join all these sessions, what you have to do, you have to subscribe the channel Officers at 24/7. After subscribing the channel, do not forget to press the bell icon also, so that you will get all the notification of the session on the Officers at 24/7. Okay, so this is all for today. Now let's end the session here. Thank you all for joining the session and have a very great day. And do not forget to share the session also. Take care all. Bye-bye.